This is the default system monitor that comes with GNOME. Very bare bones. It shows you all the logical processors or threads that your CPU has. In my case, 16. It shows you the amount of memory that is used and is currently installed in the system. It tells you the swap that is used, available. It shows you the network usage and the disk usage. Total read, total written. It doesn't really show you fans usage in a very nice way. Like, yeah, this is usable, but this is not very user friendly, especially for people coming to Linux from Windows. Now, there's another application that really solves that called MissionCenter. This one here. As you can see, it's a very familiar feeling to everyone who's on Windows. It shows you the virtual processors speed, the base speed if virtualization is enabled, if the system is a virtual machine. It shows you the processors, threads, the handles, the CPU governor, the cache, the name of the processor itself. It also shows you the temperature here, as you can see, right next to the utilization. Come to the memory. It shows you the amount of memory used to swap in a very friendly way. It even shows you the speed. Come to the drive. It shows you the temperature of the drive, write speed, the read speed, the total read written, all of this good stuff. We've got a Wi-Fi card, then we've got our iGPU, it shows you the clock speed. The system one doesn't even show you any of this. It just says, here's your CPU, memory, network usage. I mean, we could come to file systems to see how the drive is split, but this is not really what I'm looking for when I open a system monitor. So this one really does the job. It also shows you the graphics card. So as you can see, I've got a Quadro T2000, and it shows me the power draw, clock speed of the card, the memory speed. I'm running at a max, video encode because OBS is currently running, the temperature, OpenGL, Vulkan. It shows you just so much more information. It even shows you the fans that are running. Now there's a bug here, I believe, because my system only has 2 fans. That is why you can see the speed on this on fan 2 and fan 3, but not on fan 0 and fan 1. It also shows you the applications that are running on your system and how each and every one of them is using your system resources. You can even view services, which I might remind you, this one doesn't even show. And yeah, sure, it shows you the processes, but MissionCenter even shows you the services that are running. So in case you installed something and you'd like to remove it now, you can disable the services from here, the applications and the performance. Such a better system too. And the way to find this is actually very easy. Just come to your software center and then type MissionCenter, and yeah, MissionCenter, and it's right here. You can very easily install it. And another thing that I don't necessarily like about Linux is this. Now, to someone who's new to Linux, this is very confusing because it says, can access hardware devices. Okay, sure, but this doesn't mean an application is unsafe. Yeah, it does say potentially unsafe, so in the technical sense, it doesn't say anything wrong, but it's scary for users because they'll look at this and they'll think, oh my god, this is very unsafe because it's red, it's orange. This color is used to alert. Green is safe, but this is used to alert because, like, if you look at this, adaptive works, it's green. Edge rating, it's also green. But then you look at this and it's red and you think, oh my god, it must be dangerous. But no, it's actually a very nice to use application. And most applications actually have this tag, so you can just safely ignore it. And yeah, this is MissionCenter. Just a very quick one today because, believe it or not, 2 projects that I had lined up for the channel. So how to install DaVinci Resolve. The video got corrupt. Another video where I was unboxing this mouse here, editor, and the goodies that came with it from the ATK store, and both of the videos got corrupt. So this is just a replacement for this week so that I keep it consistent and have something up, because the last thing I want is to have a week elapsed with no video uploaded. I just wanted to show you guys MissionCenter. It's a very useful application, and if you have any other useful applications, let me know. Alright, thank you. And I almost forgot, go and watch Orb on the movements of the earth.